Welcome back. If you got a brilliant SaaS idea but zero coding experience, you're not alone. The good news is that it's 2025 and there are AI tools for almost any use case you can imagine. Yep, even for that. Today, I will walk you through a few AI powered tools that can help you go from idea to successful business without writing a single line of code. Yep, I don't know how to write code either. But if we're lucky, we will even cover a few tools for you to do marketing, lead generation, data scraping, build your marketing website and assets, and even build your SaaS using only prompts in an AI tool. But before we continue, I will ask you to like this video and help me win over the algorithm. You see, every like pushes this video more people to watch and discover these AI tools. In exchange, ask me a question in the comments and I will do my best to give you a real answer, not an AI answer, but a real answer of what I will do in the situation that you're in. With that being said, let me show you all these tools that will help you build your business. First tool on this list is ChatGPT. Of course, ChatGPT will be in most lists of AI tools out there, and there is a big reason for it. Now, if you need an all-around idea generator, copywriter, or even a pseudo developer on call, ChatGPT it is. This AI chatbot can brainstorm SaaS ideas, research solutions, generate content, and even help you write or debug code from plain English descriptions that we call prompts. Now, this is a versatile and affordable, and it starts at $0 per month, so it doesn't get any cheaper than that. Now, for a founder with no coding skills, ChatGPT can draft feature outlines, marketing copy, and even boilerplate code that you can then plug into AI coding tools, like the ones that we're going to mention here in a moment. Now, the second tool on this list is CodeGuide. Now, probably have seen my videos about CodeGuide, and basically, the idea is that you generate your SaaS idea in ChatGPT and refine it, and you get all the details. Now it's time to generate your product requirement documents, also known as PRD. Now, you see, it's not enough to prompt your AI coding tool like Replit or Bolt or Lovable and tell it your idea and ask it to build it to you. You need to provide context. You need to set some guardrails to ensure you're getting a high-quality product and you're not wasting your time. That's where CodeGuide excels. Now, in my experience, this AI tool helps you generate PRD in a blink. It's quite fast. And that includes all the relevant information that the AI coding tool needs to build your product. Now it includes information like the framework, the design, you prompt it, and you explain it to CodeGuide, and it helps you develop the workflows that it needs, even the branding for your tool, like the colors and font and everything else that it will need. Those are included in the PRD. And I will tell you that these PRD, when they are produced by CodeGuide, on my own experience, I've been doing this for a little bit. It will help you save time and money because the AI, you don't need to go back and forth with Bolt or Lovable trying to solve certain issues because it doesn't understand the full context of it. You're giving it the full context with these PRDs, and CodeGuide, in my opinion, is the best tool that produces these documents that allow the AI to understand exactly what you want and build exactly what you need. All right, now you have the idea, have produced the PRD, what's next? Now, we start building our landing page, and for this, I use Viso by Vercel. Viso is one of the best tools in the market for websites, landing pages, and similar projects, and is one that I use quite often. It can produce beautiful user interfaces with great user experiences in minutes. You just prompt it exactly what you want to get done, and it builds it for you. There's no motion between. But let's be real. There are many other tools out there that can do this, from Lovable, Bolt, and Replic Agents to tools that are more advanced like Cursor and Windsurf. Why Viso? The reason is that I tend to get more consistent results with Viso, and I can host the websites in Vercel, the parent company of Viso, which offers a quite generous plan that you can use. And, when you're starting out, you want to save on cost, or you don't want to cheat yourself out of quality. And Vercel's free plan is as good as they come. You get like 100 GB of fast data transfer, which is enough for you to get a few thousand visitors per month. So I would say that this is probably one of the best tools if you're starting out and you're building your landing page and your coming soon page and your basic website for the tool that you want to launch. But the next tool that I'm going to talk to you about, this is where you are going to build your SaaS. Now that we're making progress, it's time to start building your software as a service or software or whatever it is that you want to build. You can choose tools like Lovable, Bold, Pulsar, Windsurf, and similar, but we will go with Replic Agents. To me, Replit Agents is one of the most complete tools out there to build software as a service or any other kind of software. You can build anything from simple Chrome extensions to desktop apps to full-blown software like Salesforce, Slack, or even your own social media platform like Facebook and LinkedIn. Those are quite complicated to build though. What I like about Replit Agents is that, similar to Vercel, hosting is deeply integrated into their AI tool. It's just that Replit Agents took it a level up and they also integrated their own database, authorization tool, and other tools that make it a complete solution. Rather than paying for, let's say, Lovable, Supabase, and Auth0, Auth0, you only pay for one tool at a decent price. Now, when it comes to quality, which is what matters here, right? Code generated by Replit Agents is as good or even better in most cases than the top AI coding tools like Lovable, Bold, Viso, and stuff like that. But like I mentioned before, you can generate close to production ready software with just prompts. And in my own experience, I actually use Replit Agents quite often. I pay for their subscription. You actually don't have to jump through that many hoops to get a working product because the code is fairly clean and with not many bugs. So I highly recommend that at least you give Replit Agents a try. But just to recap, up until now, you generated your idea with ChatGPT. Then we went to CodeGuide to generate the product requirement documentation, also known as PRD. From there, we went to Vercel and used Viso to generate our landing page. So we can start getting customers in, right? You want to start building the list sooner rather than later. And now we have built the software as a service using Replit Agents. Now, let's start with marketing tools. Now, when it comes to generating marketing assets, it doesn't get much better than Canva. I use it every day, and that's a graphic design tool that has become a powerhouse in the AI scene. With Canva, you can generate images, remove background, create designs automatically, presentations, documents, edit videos, and even check back and forth with their AI assistant as if it was a top-notch graphic designer. I would say that Canva has become a central part of any business that I start, any project that I start with Canva. I create my logos in Canva. I edit some videos in Canva. Basically, generate anything that the user will interact with is generated with Canva. Now, you can use the free plan. It's limited in their AI features because, those have a cost, credits and tokens. But even their paid plan, if you go monthly, it's $15 per month. Let's say you pay for 1 month, you can generate everything for the next 6 months and be done with it. Remember, this is a startup, so probably want to go on the cheap side. Paying $15 is not that much, and we haven't spent that much. We spent a little bit with CodeGuide, we spent a little bit with Replit Agents, and perhaps you spend a little bit with Viso, but the free plan might be good enough if you're willing to spread out your work for a few days. But Canva is something that you don't want to go on the free plan if you are trying to use their AI features, because I gotta say that they're game changers. Now, you want to create videos, but you don't have the time, or let's be real, not everybody wants to show their face in front of a camera. Perhaps that's you. This tool that I'm going to talk to you about lets you create videos talking avatars just by typing a script. No cameras, no actors or microphones needed, no expensive budget. Um, and in reality, it offers 200 lifelike avatars and supports 140 languages. It can generate a professional-looking presenter video in just a matter of minutes. If I were you, this is what I will do. I will write in speech. I will pick an avatar, perhaps someone to look that looks like a regular person in the target market that you want to be marketing this video at, and just produce it. Let's run it. Let's see what happens. And the tool that I'm talking about, before I forget, is called Synthesia. And this tool produces video of avatars speaking your words, speaking basically based on the script that you provided. They have realistic voices and expressions. And no, I'm not an avatar. I'm pretty sure you know that by now. But it's as easy as making a slide deck on PowerPoint or any other similar tool. And it looks like you hire a spokesperson, which can be a great thing. I have to say that right now, at least as of today, most video platforms are giving priority to these AI-like videos. It doesn't mean that it will last. So if you're watching this video a few months from now and you produce an AI-like video and it crashes, don't blame me. As of today, what I had seen is that AI videos are getting great amount of views, more than regular people talking like me. I used to get a whole lot of views, and lately I have been getting lower amount of views, while some AI videos have been getting a great amount of views. That has been happening across many channels, at least here on YouTube. I heard the same thing about TikTok. So, not a science. I'm not saying that this will happen forever, but perhaps right now is the moment to capitalize on this opportunity to grow your audience and to grow your brand so you can start getting those clients that are going to become paying customers in the future. Now, the last AI tool that we will cover today is Sapier. While Sapier is mainly an automation tool, I'm pretty sure you have heard about them, Sapier, whatever. Their Zapier AI Copilot features have opened the door for regular people like you and me to create complex automations using prompts. You see, you can describe in plain English what workflow you want, and the AI will build this up for you. That's how they call their workflows. For example, you can say where a customer pays on Stripe, add a row on Google Sheet, and email a thank you email, saying A, B, and C, or whatever the case is. And Zapier will set up those steps automatically for you without you having to recreate that whole automation by scratch. So basically, it will make a recommendation. Perhaps you should go like this: step one, step two, step three, step four. And if you're happy with those apps, all you have to do is connect your accounts or enter your API keys, and automation will be ready to go. This makes it extra special because that means that you can replace what would have been employees in your company with Zapier to do different tasks that otherwise somebody would have had to do manually. This is totally a game changer for any of you that are actually building tools out there, because let's be real, if you're starting out, perhaps you don't have the money to pay an employee, but more importantly, as you scale, perhaps that can be money that you can use to grow your business rather than paying an employee. And this Copilot is a game changer for any of us that don't want to spend the time learning Zapier or don't want to spend the time building the workflows from scratch. Now my question to you is, which of these AI tools will you be using to start your own local business? Or perhaps you want to start your own social media platform, software as a service, Chrome extension, Mac desktop app, or any other kind of project that requires software. Please let me know down in the comments below. I will try to give you as much feedback as possible and perhaps help you create whatever it is that you want to create. And before you continue, please consider liking this video. Help me reach more people out there. There are many people out there that don't know about the great things that AI has to offer, and I would like to offer them the opportunity to discover what AI has to offer. And lastly, if you like this video, go and check out my other videos. I'm pretty sure you're going to like them. And if you do, subscribe to the channel. I record 1 or 2 videos per week, and I'm sure that you're going to like everything that we have to offer. That being said, thank you for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.